drum beat call me name. Ancient flame, me feel it deep inside me chest. Jah manifest every tone a heartbeat strong. Me belong. Drum talk truth the tongue can't say. Night and day, echo bounce cross hill and street. Spirit meet me moving rhythm, steady and sure. Me pure voice of the drum no lie. It testify, me see the children sway along to Jah song. Them learn the steps of peace and fire. Lift higher every strike a prayer send. No end, drum carry message wide. Across the tide we jump, voice of the drum call again. Heal the pain, heal the pain. Voice of the drum speak Jah truth, guide the youth. Me build me rhythm on the ground, sacred sound. Me close me eyes, me vision fly to the sky. Me see ancestors smile, feel a while. Drum beat open the way. Every day when silence fall upon town, me turn it round. Drum call unity rise, no disguise. Every man and woman here drop the fear. Voice of the drum me key. In a me sleep, boom boom truth in sound. Rebirth found, every hit a prayer call. Heal we all, drum of life, drum of peace, never cease. With you, voice of the drum call again. Heal the pain, heal the pain. Voice of the drum speak Jah truth, guide the youth, guide the youth. Oh, voice of the drum beat divine, line to line, line to line. Voice of the drum set free eternally. So when the night feels still and numb, listen, the drum, it's your heartbeat inside, we abide. Echoes meditate, oh yeah. High above the earthly land, mountain rise by Jah command. Stone unshaken roots so deep, mountain guard the truths we keep. Babylon tremble, kingdoms fall, mountains stand above them all. Every peak a holy flame, mountain glorify Jah name. Climber take the narrow road, mountain help to lift the load. Every step a righteousness, mountain guide to promise rest. Storm may rage and winds may blow, mountains still forever grow. Unmovable, bold and true, mountains stand for me and you. Eagles soar across the height, mountain glow with morning light. Rivers spring from secret place, mountain shine with Jah grace. No corruption touch the stone, mountain stand in truth alone. Every shadow fall away, mountain guard the break of day. Voices chant upon the slope, mountain fill the land with hope. Drum beat echo far and near, mountain make the vision clear. Babylon wall begin to crack, mountain push the darkness back. Every rock a sacred song, mountain keep the people strong. Oh yeah 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 yeah. Farmer till the
meditation reggae. Echo meditation reggae. Far beyond the shore so wide, ocean keep the dream inside. Every wave a vision clear, ocean whisper truth we hear. Moonlight paint the silver crest, ocean grant the spirit rest. Deep and endless, pure and true, ocean dream for me and you. Echo meditation reggae. Echo meditation reggae. Fisherman cast net of gold, ocean story still untold. While them sing a melody, ocean hold the prophecy. Babylon ship may try control, ocean swallow heart and soul. No corruption, no disguise, ocean dream before our eyes. Child of dawn and dusk alike, ocean teach how hope survive. Every current bold and free, ocean guide the destiny. Storm may rage but still it flows, ocean truth forever grows. Every tide a sacred call, ocean dream embrace us all. Program meditation reggae. Program meditation reggae. Traveler gaze upon the deep, ocean guard the truth we keep. Seabird cry a holy song, ocean chant where we belong. Babylon fortress start to shake, ocean flood the walls they make. Everlasting shining flame, ocean dream exalt your name. Generation rise and sing, ocean wave crown your king. No beginning, never end, ocean be the faithful friend. Glorious depths of light and peace, ocean dream shall never cease. Flow eternal, strong and pure, ocean love will still endure. Flow, flow, mighty stream, ocean carry endless dream. Shine, shine, silver bright, ocean guide the holy light. Ocean of dreams, wide and free, carry vision for you and me. Never fading, never gone, ocean chant still rolling on. Forever moving, bold and true. Ocean, 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 bring the dream anew. Echo meditation reggae. 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 Here goes meditation, yeah man. Boy, me hear the river call my name. Oh, me hear the river call my name. Wash me clean from guilt and shame. Jah breeze blows soft and slow, carry me where peace do grow. Me trot through valley, trot through storm. Jah love keep me heart warm. Babylon plan can't break me will. Jah river flowing still, the water heal, the water pure. My soul find open door, every drop a sacred tone. Me never walk alone. Me see the sunrise bless the land. Me feel Jah touch me hand. every life a part of one. Under the same bright sun, me wash me doubt, me wash me pain. Jah flow cleanse again. Me chant for love, the higher side. Me walk in Jah light. River of Jah flow, take me where my spirit grow. Through the hills and valley deep, Jah promise me keep. River of Jah flow, carry love wherever you go. Peace and truth overflow. Jah river forever glow. Me watch the children laugh and play. Me see hope light the way. The elders sit and hum the song. Say the journey long but strong. Jah wisdom like the ocean wide. Me drift inside. Me find me strength. Me find me rest. Jah river know the best. Me walk along the waterside. Me feel Jah in the tide. No fear can drown my song. My spirit firmly bound. The current guide my soul along. Me sing my river song. Flow on, Jah water clear. Wash away the fear. No end, no start. Jah river cleanse the heart. River of Jah flow, take me where my spirit grow. Through the hills and valley deep, Jah promise me keep. River of Jah flow, carry love wherever you go. Peace and truth overflow. Jah river forever glow. When we reach the ocean wide, me know Jah by my side. Me rest my soul and let it go. Back to Jah river flow. Above the mountain crest, seeds of sky find place to rest. Every cloud a fertile field, every drop of love reveal. Winds them carry soft and wide, seeds of sky on holy ride. Fall to earth so pure, so bright, born of day and kissed by night. Seeds of sky, seeds of sky. Farmer look and start to pray. Seeds of sky descend to today. Every leaf a blessing you. Seeds of hope in morning dew. No machine can make them grow. Seeds of love from Jah we know. Every petal tell the tale of truth that never fail. Poets see them drift and fall. Seeds of sky embrace us all. Every color paint the air. Seeds of peace beyond compare. No boundary, no divide. Seeds of mercy worldwide. Every bloom I am to grace. Seeds of skylight every place. Seeds of sky, not every seeds of sky. Child them dance beneath the rain. Seeds pain. Every laughter pure and true. Seeds of sky renew the view. Even deserts start to bloom. Seeds of hope remove the gloom. Ever shining free and high. Seeds of sky will never die. Night descend but stars remain. Seeds of sky fall soft again. Every dream become a song. Seeds of Zion growing strong. Generation plant and learn. Seeds of light forever burn. Everlasting pure and grand. Seeds of sky bless the land. Fall, gentle rain, wash away the world's pain. Rise, truth on high. Seeds of Zion never die. The seeds of sky. Seeds of the sky, pure and free, born of love and unity, never fading, always near. Seeds of faith remove the fear, ever shining bold and high. Seeds of peace fill the sky. Sacred promise, bright and true. Seeds of Jah renew the view. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 ay. Me sit in silence, moon above. Feel Jah love. Me no need no temple tall. Jah in all. Every breath me take, me find peace of mind. Jah light within me shine divine. Me used to search far and wide, no need hide. Me learn Jah dwell inside me heart. Sacred art, no pastor, no preacher man. Only Jah plan. Me look inside and see eternity. Me walk through shadow long, but me stay strong. Jah whisper through me doubt. Truth come out, me see the darkness fade. Hope made, Jah light glow pure and still. By will, Jah light within guide me day, show me way. Jah light within never dim, forever Him. Me teach you youth to see Jah energy, no diamond, no gold compare. Jah care, me tell the queen she shine, truly divine. Light no come from skin, but deep within. Me hear the city nice, fade slow, stillness grow. Me find peace pon humble floor. Want no more, Jah light reflecting eye, never die. Me live me truth, me chant, elegant. Even in a star me glow, light still show. Darkness can defeat the flame. In Jah name, me carry peace through pain. Again, Jah light within guide me day, show me way. Jah light within never dim, forever Him. Jah light within pure and bright, endless night. Jah light within bless me soul, make me whole. So when the world seem cold and blind, look inside, Jah light within still burn every turn. Na na na, fire, cushion at the paper. In the darkness, small and bright, flame of unity bring the light. One spark grow into a fire, flame
flame uplift the spirit higher. No division, no more hate. Flame of unity, open gate. Every hand and every soul. Flame of love, make we whole. Stranger smile, the walls them fall. Flame of unity, warm us all. Every language, every song. Flame remind, we all belong. Babylon coldness fade away. Flame of unity light the day. Every glow a holy sign. Flame of justice still divine. Elder pass the fire on. Flame of unity never gone. Child receive the sacred glow. Flame of mercy make it grow. Every family, every friend. Flame of unity never end. Burning bright and burning free. Flame of peace, eternity. Soldier drop the sword of war. Flame of unity heal the scar. Every wound begin to mend. Flame of unity is the friend. Nation gather round the flame. Flame of love erase the shame. Every voice in harmony. Flame of truth set people free. Teachers speak the wisdom clear. Flame of unity draw us near. Every lesson bold and true. Flame ignite the life anew. Even storm cannot destroy. Flame of unity bring the joy. Every flicker strong and pure. Flame of Zion will endure. Generations chant this song. Flame of unity keep them strong. No more hunger, no more pain. Flame of peace forever reign. Everlasting, tall and bright. Flame of justice, holy light. Every nation side by side. Flame of unity, ended pride. Glorious fire, bold and free. Flame of love for you and me. Never fading, never small. Flame of unity shine for all. Sacred fire, never still. Flame of Zion, keep Jah will. Eternal touch, forever true. Flame of peace, renew the crew. Burn, burn, holy fire. Flame of unity, lift us higher. Shine, shine, bold and bright. Flame of mercy, guide the night. Flame of unity, one and strong. Carry the people all along. Never fading, never fall. Flame of peace, embrace us all. Forever burning, bold and pure. Flame of justice, still endure. Sacred fire, shining free. Flame of Zion, victory.
It goes meditation. Far away arise and glow. Light of Zion start to show. Break the night, remove the gloom. Light of hope inside the womb. Every shadow disappear. Light of Jah forever near. Golden blaze across the land. Light of Zion bring we trust. Every color paint the sky. Light of truth can never die. Glorious fire shining strong. Light of hope will lead along. River sparkle, mountain sing. Light of Zion crown the king. Children laugh and elder pray. Light of hope declare the day. Every valley, every road. Light of mercy ease the load. Torch of dawn forever sure. Light of freedom will endure. Even when the storm cloud rise, light still burning in the eyes. Even when the night is long, light still sing a righteous song. Guide the seeker, lift the poor. Light of Zion open door. Shining crown upon the plain. Light of hope forever hang. Glow, glow, horizon flame. Lift the world in Jah name. Rise, rise, morning bright. Light of Zion end the night. Glow, glow, horizon flame. Lift the world in Jah name. Rise, rise, morning bright. Light of Zion end the night. Light of the horizon shining clear. Carry your presence always near. Never fading, never fall. Light of Zion bless us all. Forever glowing, bold and true. Light of horizon shine on you. Shine on you.
Aye, aye, aye. Zion reggae, yeah, man. Me de panja highway, whining on me face. Traveling light through this human race. Every mile teach me new truth fi learn. Inna the fire, me spirit burn. Me hear the river low. Jah guide me where fi go. Me start from the ghetto lane. Carry the joy, carry the pain. Me no rich but me soul feel tall. Jah blessings overall. Them try fi pull me off the road. Me still carry Jah load. Each breath me take a chant. Faith abundant. Me see the signs all overhead. So me drop me dread pan bed. No vanity pan this ride. Just truth inside me. Try to star me, try to flame. Still call Jah name. Every curve me bend with care. Cause Jah they everywhere. Panja highway me trod. Guided by the hand of God. Through the valley, through the fight. Me follow the light. Panja highway me roll. Clean me heart, heal me soul. No matter where me roam, Jah road me home. Me pass by the one still lost. Them pay the cost. Me stop and share a song. Help them strong. The journey long but me no tire. Jah give the fire. Every mile me bless. No stress. Me look on the horizon red. Hope ahead. Me feel Jah breeze embrace. Peaceful place. Me drive through life with grace. No ace. Me leave behind the fear. Me Jah near. Me no speed, me no slow. Me move out just if you go. Every road lead home one day. To Zion way. Panja highway me trod. guided by the hand of God. Through the valley, through the fight, me follow the light. Panja highway me roll, clean me heart, heal me soul. No matter where me roam, Jah road me home. So when me journey end, me meet me friend. Panja highway me remain free from pain.
Smoke and meditate, yeah, man. Yeah, 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 yeah. Me see the towers reach the sky. But truth no living lie. Me feel the wind of judgment near. Jah voice me hear, the world tremble, the system shake. Cause the people awake. Babylon falling, me see the sign. Redemption time. Them build them kingdom pon the seat. Them feed the poor with defeat. But every stone them stack so high, soon crumble, soon dry. The earth cry out in pain. Jah wash it clean again. Them can't hide behind them gold. The prophecy unfold. Me see the youth them wise again. Rising out the chain. Me see the people gather round. Free gum sound. No more leaders full of pride. Truth can't hide. Them try to silence Jah name, but still it flame. Babylon falling, hear the sound. Was a tumble to the ground. Truth of the weapon, love the key. Set the captives free. Babylon falling, no delay. Jah kingdom pave the way. Every lie must fade and burn. Righteousness return. Me see the mother hold her child. Say justice nothing mild. Me see the father chant a prayer. Jah always there. Me see the system lose control. People claim back soul. Me stand up tall and chant me line. Time for redefine. Me no rejoice in another's fall. Me just answer Jackal. Cause from the ruin come rebirth. New heaven, new earth. Me see the sunrise gold and red. A sign for what Jah said. Babylon fall but we still stand. Guided by Jah and tears turn river, pain turn song. Rasta never wrong. We build again from dust and clay. Jah show the way. No crown fit the wicked king. Only truth we sing. Me hear the thunder roll and call. Babylon fall in hear the sound. Walls are tumble to the ground. Truth of the weapon, love the key. Set the captives free. Babylon fall in no delay. Jah kingdom pave the way. Every lie must fade and burn. Righteousness return. Bada bada wanna know, Dumbo spirit high. Jah rule the sky. Bada bada wanna know, Dumbo spirit high. Jah rule the sky. Bada bada wanna know, Dumbo spirit high. Jah rule the sky. Bada bada wanna know, Dumbo spirit high. Jah rule the sky. 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 When the dust finally clear, no more hate, no more fear. Babylon falling, people free. Jah eternity.